Oh yeah, I'm hunting him down. Hunted them down, man. GG. That was good. That was great. Maybe we should even make, you know what? We're gonna celebrate that terrorist bin or tie with a nice case opening. Not that I can open that many cases, but we're gonna open 2 cases anyhow, yeah. Just for the fuck of it, you know.
If you get like an Ariel or Aristocrat or Purple Tomato, can I have it?
What? If I get what?
There's 3 unskins that I would like. Purple Tomato.
I'm opening a Chroma 3 case, so...
Oh, never mind then.
Ah, never
They're
mind.
all Gamma.
Ah, they're all Gamma, okay. I don't know if I have Gamma. I can see, but first off, we gotta open 1 Chroma 3 case. Why not, you know? Everybody loves case openings. Yes! I heard so at least in a book, you know. Okay, there, checking out. Transaction confirmed, okay. Watch and learn. TR add you to his friend list. Who's that? Okay, using key, let's see. And we opened up some goddamn dual Berettas.
I'll take them.
No, I trade them up later. Okay, what did you call it? Gamma case?
Yeah.
Nah, I only have Chroma 2 and Chroma 3. I got a huge Chroma case donation from a...
Addiction.
Yeah. Authorized, nah. It was great. It was fucking great. Cause, it's nice, okay? It's just fucking nice. I love it. I fucking love it. And it also gives you guys even a better show. That's just good, you know? Great. And
38 people.
Oh my god! Rare special fucking item! Gut knife! Holy fuck!
See, once I believe at you, you get it.
Dude, I fucking got the gut knife tiger tooth, man. I fucking got it, man. I fucking love you, Marcus. I fucking love you, Marcus, for those cases. Get the fuck out of here.